Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Core and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the button tone. Basically the sound when you press the buttons. First we need to press and hold the right middle button to open the menu. Like this. Once you open the menu, you can use the right lower button to scroll down. Scroll down. Select the general option and then press the right middle button to enter. And here we have the option called button tone. Press the right middle button to enter, and now we can use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the options. Select the on option if you want to enable the button tone, and then press the middle button to confirm. And now your watch should make the sounds when you press the buttons. And if you want to disable it, select the button tone and select the off option and press the middle button, and the sound will be gone. And once you're done, you can press the left upper button to go back to the clock. And that's how you enable and how you disable the button tone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.